Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to update your bank account for TikTok Shop payouts? Here's how to do it. Start by going to Finances and selecting Overview. Scroll down to the Primary Bank Account section and click Manage Bank Account. Or you can go to My Account, then select Account Settings, then choose Bank Accounts. Now click Change Account under Add Payout Method. Select Bank Transfer. Enter your new bank details and click Continue. You will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code to confirm your new bank account. If you want to use this new account for payouts, go to Manage and set it as your primary payout method. And that's it. Your TikTok Shop payouts will now be sent to your updated bank account. Thanks for watching.